Hello guys, have you tried to make flyers or YouTube thumbnails but you don't know how to use design apps? No worries, in this video, come close, I have solution for you. With this one app, you can make a professional looking flyer or a YouTube thumbnail without stressing yourself. Just stay and watch the video till the end and you will thank me later at the end of this video. So let's dive into it. You'll be needing ChatGPT for this project. You click on this image icon, it leads you to your browser. You open your photos or your collections, then you click on the image you want. Then this is where it happens. You now write your prompt. Whatever design you want to create, just write the prompt the way you want it to appear. The more you write explicit you write your prompt, the better your design comes out, be it for flyer or thumbnail. So yeah, I want to create a YouTube thumbnail. So my prompt is like, create a YouTube thumbnail with this image. Now remember the image I inserted through my from my phone. So I'll just write a prompt on how I want the image to be. So whatever design you want to create, all you need to do is write the prompt the way you want it to appear. If you Later I will show you when we keep going, you can make edits if the prompt does not come out well, the image created does not come out well, you can make edits to your video. So it's not any bother, you can just play around with it, make different prompts. So once you finish, you click and it sends. It will tell you image being created or getting started, and it's shape processing image. Lots of people are trying to create image, don't bother, by the end it will create your image for you. So see the image from the prompt I gave it. It created this YouTube like. You don't even need to worry about the size of your YouTube what's the size of your YouTube thumbnail. Once you say YouTube thumbnail, it gives you the perfect size of your YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, I made edit. You see, I clicked on edit. I made edit to make my write-up smaller. You can see from the other one. So this is under thumbnail I created. So see my prompt. I made the first one, this upper one, and I made a prompt to add design elements, and see how it came out on the second image. So perfect, like it does everything for you. You don't need to stress yourself up, bother about, oh, what kind of thumbnail should I create, how do I create it, the perfect size and all that, the ratio. You don't need to bother. See how it came out. These stars you're seeing, they are design elements because I added in my prompt, add design elements to my YouTube thumbnail, and it created this perfect design element. Once you're done, you click save. If you want to edit, you click that edit button and you still edit it the way you want. But if you're okay with it and you don't want any edit, then you click on save and it will be downloaded into your phone. That's how easy you can make your own designs. So now you don't have any excuse to make flyers or to make YouTube thumbnail if you're a YouTube creator. And this is the best time to be a YouTube creator. Like you will not like you need to be on YouTube right now. So if designing thumbnail has been your problem, now it's been solved. With this video, you can make thumbnails easily. Just all you need is ChatGPT. If you want me to use Gemini to show you how to edit your photos to professional looking photos, please drop it in the comment section. Let me know so that I'll make a video about that and the prompt you can make and use ordinary photos to get the best of the best photos. Even ChatGPT, how to, like, if you're a fashion designer, how to use ChatGPT and create like from ordinary looking photo to professional looking photo. Thank you, like and share. Bye.